Good morning, everyone. I'm about to have my chai. It's the first thing I have in the morning. Today I'll be showing you guys 5 breakfasts I make for my husband in a week. Or no? Okay, so making my husband breakfast in a week. That's not something I do on a normal basis. So this week, it's gonna be a challenge. I'm gonna have to make it for him before I leave if I do leave the house. I will say a lot of the times my husband makes his own meals like breakfast and lunch if I'm not home, and he's rather a simple guy. So a PB&J with some fruits and snacks will do for him. I'm not like that, but he is like that, thank God. So today I wanted to make him a loaded hash brown. I will have to admit that last night we caved. First time in, I don't know, 4 months maybe. We had Taco Bell at 9:30. We got a cravings box. I was like, should I be making him this? But oh well, we're just gonna make him this loaded hash brown. So come and see how I make it. Well, I guess I don't have cheese anymore. I have jalapeno, cream cheese, and hash browns. Okay, so for now, I'm gonna pop these into the air fryer. Still thinking about what I can do. Okay, maybe instead of a loaded hash brown, I don't think this is gonna work. We will just top it off with a little bit of whipped cream cheese. I'm gonna whip this up real quick. You know the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? I heard that apples in the morning are the best and they're not good at night for some reason. I don't know why. But I suck at cutting fruit. Like, I'm the worst. Like, look at this. Left here, but I will top it off with some of this cream cheese. Too close. There you go. You're a YouTuber or something?
Oh, it's
that
good.
Smells crunchy.
It's
The whipped cream
good,
cheese?
yeah.
I saved some so that I can make something for you this week too. Yay! Okay, so for day 2 breakfast, we're gonna go simple because I'm about to go grocery shopping with Grace. And I don't really have that much time. So I'm gonna make my husband some sungnyung. So this is basically porridge. When you go to eat sundubu, I bet you there are some of you guys who have tried sundubu, but it's a soft tofu soup and it's boiling, and they usually give it to you with a side of a hot stone pot full of rice. When it comes to you initially, you're supposed to scoop out all the rice and leave the remaining that are attached to the bowl there, and then you pour in hot water so that you can enjoy a little bit of this porridge. Not really porridge, it's like a nutty burnt rice flavor soup slash porridge. My aunts from Korea brought me back nurungji. Let me show it to you guys. just put this in water. And you boil it. And people eat this for breakfast because it helps soothe everything. Your stomach, everything. So I'm gonna give this to Chino with just a little bit of kimchi. And in the meantime, I'm gonna get a little bit of kimchi out. Kimchi. Ooh. Let me give you a little kimchi. 뜨거워. Is that good? How's my mom's kimchi?
That's good.
Yay. Yay. Doesn't that look soothing? Okay, you can finish all of it.
It's a great hangover.
Actually, that would make sense. Let's make some breakfast. Today, I'll be making Chino a smashed avocado with scrambled eggs and some shaved jalapeno on top. I have leftover jalapenos in my fridge. We're gonna use that. Okay, let's bring this to Chino. Yeah, I think you should. Good?
Delicious.
Yay! Today I'm in a rush. I feel like I'm in a rush every day. But I have to get to a class, so I'm gonna make Chino a really quick breakfast before I go, but I'm also gonna be coming back a little late. So I'm just making him breakfast ahead of time so he can eat whenever he wants, because I'll be gone for like 2 hours. First, I have to make chai. Bacon. I have multiple containers, but I use parchment paper in between to get to it. So I have 2 strips there, and then I'll add a hash brown in as well. Hash brown. In this goes, and I'll work on the egg next. I'll see this version later, but this is his, what is this now? 4th day breakfast. Today's the last day, it's day 5, and I will be making my husband a very, very simple breakfast. So these are, I think it's called Dutch pancakes from Trader Joe's. These are really, really good, and I feel like it makes a really simple, easy breakfast. So all you need to do is pop them in the microwave until they are warm, because I mean, these are fully cooked. And it's a really just grab and go type of breakfast. We have some blueberries that my aunt got from her friend who handpicked them, and they're just so good and perfectly sweet and perfectly tart. I'll give Chino some of that and some apples. If you guys see these at Trader Joe's, you have to get it. I know that in some areas it's just not there, but I'm able to find it at my store all the time. These are really good. These are done. Okay. Oops. The best thing about these pancakes is that you don't even need syrup for it. I mean, I didn't even really cook today. I'm sorry.
A bag of blueberry?
This whole week I didn't really cook. The apples are good.
All three together. Very good.
Well guys, thank you for watching. Hope this was fun. I will try to do more cooking because I feel like this time I didn't really cook this week. But I guess who has time to cook for breakfast? But if you guys want a little bit more of a fancier and a little bit something that just looks more fun, not like you're just putting something together, but like I'm actually cooking, I am down to do that. So let me know in the comments and I'll see you guys in the next video.